For 30 years, HCG has been part of every Filipino home, bringing comfort, quality, and innovation into everyday living. Now we're taking the next step, evolving from total bathroom solutions to total home solutions, transforming every corner of your home into a space of harmony, wellness, and style. It began here with the total bathroom solution, where design, product, and technology merge seamlessly. From smart toilets to integrated shower systems, we elevate your daily rituals with elegance and ease. In the heart of every home, we create spaces that inspire connection and creativity. The total kitchen solution brings smart systems and space-optimized designs, giving you the tools to cook, connect, and create with ease. Even the simplest routines deserve thoughtful design. With the total laundry solution, HCG brings modular, space-saving systems that turn everyday chores into effortless comfort and convenience. Beyond modern living, HCG builds for inclusion, for care that transcends generations. Through the total healthcare solution, we design spaces that empower independence, comfort, and safety for everyone, including the elderly, persons with disabilities, and those who need extra care. Because every home deserves to be a space where all can live with dignity and ease. For 30 years, HCG has redefined modern living, evolving from total bathroom solutions to total home solutions. With every innovation, we bring comfort, elegance, and quality to every Filipino home. As we celebrate this milestone, we invite you to continue the journey with us and experience the art of modern living only with HCG.